Our changing climate is a big problem that we cannot ignore any longer. It is about the Earth's temperature changing over a long time, affecting ecosystems and human life. This change is happening faster than ever before, accelerating at an unprecedented rate. It is causing many problems around the world, from extreme weather events to rising sea levels. The Earth's temperature is rising because of human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels. We are burning too much fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas, which release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. These fuels release harmful gases into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. These gases trap heat from the sun, preventing it from escaping back into space. This is called the greenhouse effect, a natural process that is being intensified by human actions. It is like wrapping the Earth in a thick blanket, making it warmer and warmer. The thicker the blanket, the warmer the Earth gets, leading to more severe climate impacts. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that keeps the Earth warm enough to support life. It acts like a blanket, trapping some of the sun's heat and preventing it from escaping back into space. However, human activities are intensifying this effect. The rapid industrialization and urbanization have led to an increase in the burning of fossil fuels. When we burn fossil fuels for energy, we release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases are major contributors to the enhanced greenhouse effect. These gases trap heat from the sun and prevent it from escaping back into space. This trapped heat leads to a rise in global temperatures. Deforestation also contributes to the problem. When forests are cleared, the carbon stored in trees is released into the atmosphere. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, acting as natural carbon sinks. When trees are cut down or burned, this stored carbon is released, further increasing greenhouse gas concentrations. This not only reduces the number of trees that can absorb CO2, but also adds more CO2 to the atmosphere. The accumulation of these gases in the atmosphere is like adding extra blankets to our planet. Each layer traps more heat, making the Earth warmer. This leads to a gradual warming effect, disrupting Earth's delicate climate balance. The consequences are far-reaching, affecting weather patterns, sea levels, and ecosystems worldwide. The impacts of climate change are far-reaching and profound. One of the most visible consequences is the melting of glaciers and ice caps. As temperatures rise, ice melts at an accelerated rate, causing sea levels to rise globally. This poses a significant threat to coastal communities and ecosystems. Extreme weather events are also becoming more frequent and intense. Heat waves are lasting longer and becoming hotter. Droughts are becoming more severe, leading to water shortages and crop failures. Hurricanes and cyclones are gaining strength, causing widespread devastation. These extreme events have devastating consequences for human lives, property, and infrastructure. Section 4: Unequal impacts, climate change around the globe. While climate change affects the entire planet, its impacts are not evenly distributed. Some regions are more vulnerable than others. Coastal communities are particularly at risk from rising sea levels and storm surges. Small island nations face an existential threat as their land disappears beneath the waves. Arid and semi-arid regions are experiencing more frequent and severe droughts, leading to desertification and food insecurity. These impacts disproportionately affect developing countries with limited resources to adapt. Climate change exacerbates existing inequalities and poses significant challenges to global development and stability. Section 5: Turning the Tide: Actions for a Cooler Future. Addressing climate change requires a collective effort from individuals, governments, and businesses worldwide. It is not just a single entity's responsibility, but a shared mission that spans across all sectors of society. We must act urgently and decisively to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate its impacts. The longer we delay, the more severe the consequences will be for our planet and future generations. Transitioning to clean and renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower is crucial. These technologies not only reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, but also create sustainable jobs and drive economic growth. Investing in energy efficiency measures in our homes, buildings, and infrastructure can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. Simple actions like installing LED light bulbs and improving insulation can make a big difference. Enhancing our transportation systems by promoting electric vehicles, cycling, and public transit can also play a major role in cutting emissions. These changes not only benefit the environment but also improve public health and urban living conditions. Protecting and restoring forests is essential as they act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Reforestation projects and sustainable forestry practices are vital in this effort. Promoting sustainable land management practices can help preserve these vital ecosystems. Sustainable agriculture not only protects the environment but also ensures food security for future generations. Each individual has a role to play in combating climate change. Simple actions like recycling, reducing waste, and using reusable products can collectively make a significant impact. By making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can collectively make a difference. Together, we can turn the tide and create a cooler, more sustainable future for all.